All right, let's look at question 14. It says write 0.0364891 in three significant figures and express the answer in standard form. Now, look at it. So three significant figures. Ignoring the 0 units. Now, 1, 2, 3. This is three significant figure. Now we look at the number on the fourth digit side. For us to put it to three significant figure, we'll look at this number here on the fourth side. Is it up to 5 or more than 5? If it is up to 5, we'll round it up. If it's not up to 5, probably is 4 and between 0 and 4. We leave our answer like this. But since 8 is more than 5, so we round it up. We add a 1 to these digits that you have here. So this becomes 0.0365. Now, this is the answer in three significant figures. Now, we are told to express in standard form. So our 0 will move how many times? 1, 2. So that will be 3.65 times 10 raised to the power of -2. So which is option D. That's 3.65 times 10 raised to the power -2. If it's moving forward, our power of 10 will carry negative. If you are moving backward, it will carry positive.